Hello guys, I'm back after a long time on daily analysis for the another for the DXY. We will start over with the gold. So basically right now I'm focusing on the gold and let's see what I'm anticipating today, and this is not a financial advice to anyone. It's just my perspective looking at the price, how I see the price, how I watch it, and I'm anticipating what's gonna be happening in the next. So here you can see we have the gold weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, we have this fair value gap in the weekly, and then we have this BC, and still some area is left in the gold which is not filled completely. So I'm anticipating that area to get filled out completely, and this old highs, we don't need to retrace too much deep, and then if we are targeting this weekly fair value gap, then we can complete that. We can just continue up from here. So in the daily time frame today, what we can see, yesterday was a fair value gap there, and then that fair value gap was filled out completely, and look at the bodies of the candles are still closing above that. So that's telling me you guys a narrative that yeah, price wanna expand higher. So today I'm anticipating higher prices, and I think this high and ultimately the consequent encroachment of this wick is gonna be my target. But ultimately I want to see this high being taken out, and then the full closure of this fair value gap which is being shaded with the rectangle upper one. So okay, so if my draw on liquidity is for the upside, what I'm anticipating today is the buy side liquidity. So we'll look for the prices to support our narrative, like from where, if we are going to go bullish for like yeah, if that's the case, so from where we can. So here we can see the consolidation part. A lot of consolidation is going on here, and let's see. I don't see anything here. Let's go to the 1 hour, or oh yeah, okay, so yeah, so this is a 2 hour fair value gap, and I think um we can see some sort of reaction. If it does so, we can see higher prices. Like this is a good fair value gap. Let me delete this one. So I'm basically doing it in a very simple way. I'm trying to demonstrate it in a very simple way, like how I watch the price action, how how it is simply. Okay, okay, in the 1 hour time frame, yeah, we don't have anything, and I have shaded already the 2 hour fair value gap. And let me turn on an indicator which is the IPDA boxes that tells me that where's the Asian range high and Asian range low is. Okay, so um, this video is specifically on the gold, and I will look at other pairs a little bit, but all the pairs are in consolidations right now. The all the um, dollar pairs are in consolidation, so I'm not interested to take any kind of trade in that. So okay, now let's go back to the like 30-minute time frame. Yeah, okay. Okay, so in the 30-minute we can see a down candle here. We have CB here that may act as an inversion fair value gap also, but it's on the 30 minutes, so I'm not interested in that. Okay, we can see up close candles, down move becomes order block, then there's another order block trade through. So I want to see this low getting taken out, and then we have the down candles. Remember, we are anticipating higher prices, so this down candles can be a good area to look at the higher, to look at higher prices. But again, we need to align time and price in context. Like if it happens like around out of the kill zone, then it's obvious that it's low probability. And then what we can see here, what's the time today? Right now it's 1 a.m. Okay, so I want to see a consolidation here, and no basically no whipsaw movement here. I just want to see a consolidation, a little bit hovering price here and there, just as a time distortion. And these down candles are looking good, really. Okay, then we have another down candle which is um, different from this one, because this is not attached, this is not a consecutive down candles. This down candle is different. Also we have, well, um we have this fair value gap which is more probable. And yeah, so this is what it is for the gold. Okay, now let's have a quick analysis for the DXY also. DXY, as you guys can see, um, price has reached into this weekly fair value gap, which I was anticipating for the price to come. Oh, actually, I didn't saw the yesterday moment. Oh, that was great. That was really great. Okay, so yesterday price come into here, and now into this weekly gap, I'm really anticipating a bullish move. So from here, from this weekly fair value gap, I want to see higher prices. In the daily time frame, yeah, okay. So we have taken out the previous day low. Okay, we have this CB, and in the 1 hour time frame, everything looks good. Okay, so we will see higher prices from there. Now coming into the Euro USD. Euro USD, okay, we have reached into this area. We have disrespected. Where's the next fair value gap here? Okay, I don't see any kind of fair value gap here until price reaches here. So in this pair, in the weekly context, yeah, I don't have anything. But we do have inversion fair value gap. You can see this inversion fair value gap. So that's the work for that fair value gap is still not over, I think. And ultimately we have reached into this PD array also. So yeah, I think if dollar is gonna go bullish, this move in a tandem, so it's gonna push the price into the lower side. Also in the 4 hour we have this up close candle, so let's see. Okay, we have this up close candle, so price still has not reached there. And here, okay, so we will just wait for the price to tap into that, and then we can look for sales. GBUSD, GBUSD, what can I say about that? Okay, so okay, this is monthly. Let me switch to the weekly. Okay, in the weekly time frame we still have this fair value gap. So if it's coming back into the fair value gap, there's nothing wrong. This maybe uh, just price wants to mitigate all this over there. And yeah, we do have a fair value gap there. We have reached that fair value gap once again. And on the lower side, what we have, okay, we have closed this CB. We have closed that CB, and I want to see this candle, how it trades. Like if it forms a fair value gap here, maybe we can see higher prices. But if it's not able to form a fair value gap for the buy side, and it comes and takes out and fill this area, So there will be no gap, no fair value gap. No fair value gap means no displacement, no movement for the upside. So yeah, if dollar is going to go bullish, if you think so, then this pair might go bearish. Above here we have a fair value gap here, so let's wait how price reacts there. Okay, yeah, so let's wait for the price how it's reacting over there. And at last, Nasdaq today, Nasdaq. Okay, so in the Nasdaq, we have taken out the sell side liquidity. We have a fair value gap here. Yeah, so let's wait for the price to tap into that fair value gap, and let's see if it supports that fair value gap. Then we can see higher prices. But if it's not gets traded through and we resist the price there, then we can see lower prices from here, and ultimately we're gonna see this low getting taken out once again. Because in the weekly, have I show you the weekly? Yeah, on the weekly and the monthly, so there's a big buy side imbalance there. Okay, so let's wait for the price to react into that area, and let me delete this one and ultimately mark this one only. Okay, so this is what it is for today, and if you guys really like this video, if you guys think that I can help you guys, then do just leave a comment on the comment section, so that yeah, it's I don't really make a video for the daily purpose. Like if you guys want it, I can make it, and so that I can also enjoy that time. So if you guys want it, then just text me or just comment over there. Okay guys, see you.